Welcome to the chapter Chemical Bonding. Valence bond theory, hybridization. In order to explain the structures and bond angles of molecules, Linus Pauling modified the valence bond theory using hybridization concept. Definition: the redistribution of orbitals of almost equal energy in individual atoms to give equal number of new orbitals of equivalent energy is called hybridization. Let us learn about the valence bond theory using hybridization concept in the formation of beryllium chloride, BeCl2, beryllium chloride, BF3, boron trifluoride, NH3, ammonia, and H2O water molecules. Click each tab to learn more. Formation of beryllium chloride molecule. In the ground state, electronic configurations of beryllium atom and chlorine atom are shown on screen. From the ground state, an electron from S block of the beryllium atom gets excited and enters into the p subshell, that is 2px1. As a result, the electronic configuration of beryllium atom in the excited state is as shown on screen. Here, beryllium atom has one electron in s orbital and one unpaired electron in px orbital. Hence, these orbitals are called hybrid orbitals. In the excited state, the beryllium atom undergoes sp hybridization by mixing a 2s and one 2p orbitals. On hybridization of 1s and 1p orbitals, we get two hybridized orbitals at an angle 180 degrees. If the beryllium atom forms bonds using these orbitals, the molecule might be angular. During the formation of beryllium chloride molecule, the beryllium atom contributes two electrons from its outer shell to form two bond pairs with chlorine atom. Here, two sigma bonds will be formed by overlapping of the the two sp orbitals of beryllium atom get separated by 180 degrees. That is why the molecule beryllium chloride is linear in shape. Formation of boron trifluoride molecule. In the ground state, the electronic configurations of boron and fluorine atoms are shown on screen. From ground state to excited state, electron of a boron atom form S block enters into the p subshell, that is 2py1. Hence, these orbitals are called hybrid orbitals. If the boron atom forms bonds using these orbitals, the molecule might be angular. During the formation of boron trifluoride molecule, the boron atom contributes 3 electrons from its outer shell to form 3 bond pairs with chlorine atom by using its half-filled sp2 hybrid orbitals. Formation of ammonia molecule. In the ground state, electronic configuration of hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom is as shown on screen. This nitrogen atom has 3 unpaired electrons in 2p orbital. Hence, 2s and 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals of nitrogen atom intermix and redistribute into 4 similar sp3 hybridized orbitals. One of the 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals obtains a pair of electrons and the remaining orbitals obtain 1 electron each. During the formation of an H3 molecule, the nitrogen atom contributes 3 electrons from its outer shell to form 3 bond pairs with 3 hydrogen atoms. 3 hydrogen atoms with their valence electron in 1s orbitals overlap with the 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen atom and form similar sigma bonds. In NH3 molecule, there is a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom belonging to the fulfilled sp3 hybrid orbital. However, the bond angle in ammonia molecule is not equal to normal tetrahedral angle. the angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Moreover, lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion. That is why the angle between bond pairs in ammonia further decreases to is 107 degrees 48 minutes. Formation of water molecule. In the ground state, electronic configurations of hydrogen atom and oxygen atom are shown on screen. The oxygen atom has two unpaired electrons in 2p orbital, that is 2py, 2pz. Here 2s and 2px, 2py, 2pz orbitals of oxygen atom intermix and redistribute into four similar sp3 hybridized orbitals. Two of the four sp3 orbitals obtain a pair of electrons and the remaining orbitals obtain one electron each. During the formation of water molecule, the oxygen atom contributes two electrons from its outer shell to form two bond pairs with two hydrogen atoms. Two hydrogen atoms overlap their 1s orbital. 28 minutes. Moreover, the lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion, and this further decreases the angle between the bond pairs to 104 degrees 31 minutes.